Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to another Algorand video here. Today we're going to start with tiny charts, and what I'm going to do is go over more in depth and show you guys some more examples on these arbitrage opportunities that arise here in this specific market, at least from what I can tell. Disclaimers, not financial advice, just merely education, opinion, showing strategies. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's look at the tiny chart. If you are not aware, there is a brand new DEX that was just released. There is something called HumbleSwap out there, and using the tiny charts here, when you go over to this ASA, so this is Meld Gold, and this is the number right there, 6547014. You can actually see the 4 DEXs that this trades on. So in previous videos, I talked about what the arbitrage between cryptocurrency versus precious metals is. And in this example, I'm actually going to show you how different markets can have different market rates for these same assets. And what we'll see here is I'll go down the line. And so starting with Tinyman right now, on Tinyman, Meld Gold is trading at 68 ALGO. And if we go to AlgoFi, right now it's trading at 69 ALGO. Go to PactFi, right now it's trading at 71, and HumbleSwap is trading at actually 91. Now, this is something that I picked up on, and this is really the whole point of this piece is showing you guys you're essentially buying low and selling high. And when I'm structuring these LP pool trades for myself, what I try to do personally is not go too far away from the layer 1 coin. So I always try to stick with algo pairings with a different ASA. I don't like ASA pairs. I think they're just a little bit too unstable in my opinion. It just depends on the pairing. But so not only do we have this arbitrage here, where if I go back to this chart, this is up to date here as of the last day of March. I'll zoom in here, and what we can see is actually for the entire month of March, precious metals have been losing purchasing power comparative to algo. We've seen this really good price action on algo over these past couple weeks. It's really started to pick up. This recent peak here was actually right around the time of the Russian invasion, which there was a tremendous amount of uncertainty. And what that did was, drive the price of precious metals up, and we knew at that time algo was down quite a bit too. But over these past few weeks through March, algo has been doing some catching up, some stabilizing. So right now, you'll see that algo is stronger when compared to Meld Gold at this point. Now, whether that's going to be the long-term, trend based on this chart, I don't believe it will carry on that much longer, but we do have a nice little dip here in the strength of Algorand over Meld Gold. So it's a good ratio for you to transfer out of. And not only that, you now have 4 different markets that this particular ASA trades on. And there is a very high degree of range on this particular asset. So essentially the strategy here is buying low. So picking up your Meld Gold on Tinyman and essentially just selling it on HumbleSwap. I mean, that's a 20 Algorand difference right there, just in those markets from what I can see. So I just wanted to put this video out here. If you guys are not familiar with the concept of arbitrage, this is what it is. It's just buying low and selling high in different markets. There happens to be 4 different markets for this ASA, and there's quite a bit of range here. So there is a nice opportunity for people to take advantage of some of that, on top of taking advantage of the arbitrage with the actual cryptocurrency and Algorand itself. So with that, guys, this was my video for today. Just short and sweet. I just want to show you guys that opportunity and a little bit about arbitrage. Hope you have a great day. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.